This is Onset's new, redesigned Hobo Motor On-Off data logger, part number UX90-004. I'd like to demonstrate a couple of the new features on the logger, including the new signal strength and auto calibration feature. I have this connected up to a simple 3rd horsepower drill press. As you can see, it's being stuck onto the drill press with 4 rare earth magnets. For this demonstration, what we're going to do is just connect it on sideways. The new design features 2 AC field sensors which are located just to the right of the LCD here and here. One of the new features that we have, there are 2 push buttons on the top. This one's for a push button start and this one's for the signal strength and auto calibration. What we do is we push the button once, and as you can see it flips over to signal strength and we now have 5 bars. What I'm going to do is turn on the drill press, and as you can see here it goes straight up to 5 bars and the little motor turns on and it has the on side in between. If you take the logger off and we pull it away, you can see that the field strength is now going to go down to 3 to 2, 1, and finally when we get it far enough away it's turned off. So what we're going to do, as you can see, it goes back to the 5 bars, 3 bars. We're going to mount it right back onto the drill press. Now to auto calibrate this at the 5 bars, we hold down the push button for 3 seconds. When it starts counting down, you can let go and it's going to say auto calibrate pass or fail. In this case it's passed. Finally what we're going to do is actually start the logger, and we're going to hold down this other button for 3 seconds. And what you see now is your logger recording. It's showing you the total time of use that the motor's been on for. And as you can see, when we turn it off, the numbers stop increasing. That means that it's been on for 10 seconds. As this increases, it will go on to hours and minutes, and then days and hours. And as you can see, it turns back on when the motor turns on. In cases where you may not be able to get to the motor housing, what we've also included on the new motor on-off logger UX90-004 is a contact closure switch on the bottom. What we have here is a setup with our CSV-A8 AC current switch just connected up to a simple plug where we're taking one of the legs. What we're going to do is plug this into a strip. This is also connected up to our drill press. The CSV-A8 is connected by a cable 2.5 stereo, which we're going to plug into the bottom here. As you can see, the LCD is counting down. In HoboWare we set this up for a delayed start to start at a particular date and time, which is going to be in just under 2 minutes. So as we rejoin the countdown here, as you can see we're just about ready to go. 3, 2, 1. And the loggers now begin recording. In this particular case we've set this up to show the percent on time of when the motor's running. It's also been set up for a push button stop. So we're going to turn the motor on. As you can see, the contact switch closed, which means that it's on, and now it's giving you the total percent run time for the logging duration, and this will continue to increase here. To demonstrate the push button stop, you're going to hold the stop button down, turn that off. To demonstrate the push button stop, this is the second button on top, which we're going to hold down for 3 seconds, and the logger stops recording.